This How to 1 Minute will show you how to display author's Twitter and Facebook or any other social media link on the profile page. Follow these easy steps to do it. From your WordPress dashboard, hover over on Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. In the Search Plugins box, type here Author Bio box and search for it. And this is the actual plugin we are looking for. So install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin activated, hover over on Settings and here you will get Author Bio box. Click on it. And now choose where you want to display Author Bio box. You can select only in Post or you can select Home Page and Post. And now you can change the gravatar size. You can change Author Bio box background color. So customize these and click on Save Changes. Once it's saved, hover over on Users and click on Profile. Once you are in user profile page, scroll down and here you will get, and under contact info section you will get social medias link option. All you have to do is just enter here your social media links, like enter your Facebook page or profile link. Enter here your Twitter profile link and scroll down, click on update profile. And this is how we can display author's Twitter and Facebook on the profile page. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.